The new seven wonders of the world, a modern tapestry of marvels. While their ancient counterparts have captivated imaginations for millennia, the new seven wonders of the world stand as testaments to the awe-inspiring achievements of the modern era. These architectural and engineering marvels, chosen through a global vote in 2007, showcase the diversity of human ambition and artistic expression across the globe. So, buckle up as we embark on a virtual journey through this modern-day tapestry of wonder. 1. Christ the Redeemer, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Perched atop Corcovado Mountain, arms outstretched as if embracing the city below, Christ the Redeemer is a beacon of hope and faith for millions. This iconic Art Deco statue, standing 30 meters tall atop a 92-meter pedestal, offers breathtaking panoramic views of Rio de Janeiro and the surrounding Guanabara Bay. 2. The Great Wall of China. Snaking its way across mountains, deserts, and grasslands for over 21,000 kilometers, the Great Wall is a monumental symbol of Chinese history and resilience. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, built and rebuilt over centuries, is not just a defensive structure but a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. 3. Chichen Itza, Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico. Once the heart of the Mayan civilization, Chichen Itza is an archaeological marvel showcasing Mayan architectural and astronomical prowess. The towering Kukulkan Pyramid, intricately carved temples, and the ball court where ritualistic games were played transport visitors to a bygone era of Mayan kings and celestial worship. 4. Machu Picchu, Cusco, Peru. Lost to the world for centuries, Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas, emerged from the mists of the Andes Mountains in 1911. This ancient city, perched high on a mountain ridge, showcases Inca engineering genius in its stonework, terraces, and temples, offering a glimpse into the life and culture of a once thriving civilization. 5. Petra, Jordan. Carved into sandstone cliffs in the rose-red city of Petra, this ancient Nabatean trading center is a masterpiece of rock-cut architecture. The Sikh, a narrow gorge leading to the treasury, the intricately carved facades, and the Roman-inspired amphitheater paint a vivid picture of Petra's former glory as a crossroads of trade and culture. 6. Colosseum, Rome, Italy. A symbol of ancient Rome's power and entertainment, the Colosseum, once known as the Flavius Amphitheater, hosted gladiatorial combats, animal hunts, and public spectacles. This elliptical monument, built with concrete and stone, has endured centuries of earthquakes and invasions, standing as a testament to Roman engineering and a reminder of the city's glorious past. 7. Taj Mahal, Agra, India. An eternal monument to love, the Taj Mahal is a white marble masterpiece built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as a mausoleum for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Its delicate arches, intricate inlaid pietra dura work, and serene reflecting pools embody Mughal architectural excellence and leave visitors spellbound by its breathtaking beauty. These seven wonders encapsulate the diversity of human ambition and artistic expression across continents and cultures. They stand as reminders of the incredible feats we can achieve when we strive for excellence and push the boundaries of imagination. So, let these architectural and engineering marvels inspire you to explore the world, expand your horizons, and appreciate the remarkable tapestry of human achievement woven across the globe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content like this.